Good morning, everyone. Eric here again, traveling trading back at it again. 30 days, 30 trades. We're on day number three here. Right now, it is December 4th. It is about 8:46 a.m. Eastern time. Pretty much we're still in pre-market right now. These are pretty much some of the stocks I'm looking at right now. We've gotten a couple of alerts for a few of them. Pretty much, these are the ones we've been kind of scouting out here. Right now, I'm currently in CYNC right now. This is probably going to be my one trade for the day. I got in this bad boy at $5.11. Let me kind of show you that there without trying to expose my account from getting hacked. So you can kind of see there pretty much at a 3% gain there at 511. So to kind of give you the thought process behind this here, guys, pretty much it's been showing some good support in pre-market here. Oops, sorry. Um, and that's pretty much what I've been noticing there. Everything else is pretty much kind of dried up. It's not a lot of volume happening this morning. You can check like the scanners and see like which ones are doing volume throughout pre-market. But as far as chart setup wise, this is the only one I'm really kind of interested in with it holding where it's holding at now. So I'm in at a pretty decent price. My risk to reward obviously is going to be around the 350, range, no less than 250. So I'm willing to be able to cut my losses in half in order to get a potential gain. Because look, it's went up to $7.10 there. Debating if I'll break one of my rules and hold this bad boy to pre-market, after pre-market, but more than likely I'm gonna exit here within the position within pre-market. You guys know me, know that rule, in pre-market, out pre-market kind of thing. Uh, right now, FGL is looking a little interesting, but of course, we got the alert and it's pulling back here, so you're supposed to wait as usual. But right now, really, these main two things here are what I'm focusing on. FGL has some news here with the founder group secures conditional letter of award of about $68 million for a solar farm in Malaysia. That's probably why that spiked up right there. So we'll see how that news kind of plays out. Everything else is pretty much stagnant here. Um, SRM has some good, news as well too. That was pretty interesting. So mainly right now, these three are what I'm looking at: CYCN, FGL, and SRM. I'll be probably, as time is going on, as we the market closer to the opening bell, might be looking at some of the ones. But right now, I'm in CYCN, and that's my main focus until another setup comes in. Don't want to try to trade too much, but also want to be able to be profitable if possible. Okay. Um, so yeah, so pretty much that's what I'm looking at there to kind of give you guys a heads up idea. This is pretty much how CYNC is playing out. As you can see, it's also learning and trading view, the news about it, and it's holding pretty steady. I'm hoping that before the bell happens, it could break another high. If it does, that's a good sign. That's great. If not, I'll cut my losses, if needed to. Right now, there's no need for me to get out the trade. It's going slow. Again, this is trading, guys. It's a patience game, okay? So let the trade play out. Right now, it's doing very well. I was up a lot more before. Right now, where are we at with it? So, like right now, I'm at 180% right now. Oops, sorry. I could take this, and call it a day, but I'm gonna let the trade play out. Okay. So let's see how that works out. I'll post a screenshot for you guys once I'm done. Um, but yeah, hopefully you guys are up and early into the market and ready to make some money today. I'll keep you guys posted on Trading View. I'll post it after we're done and go from there. Stay green.